Hello, and welcome to my presentation on cloud computing and libraries. I will be discussing what cloud computing is, what the different types of clouds are, the different types of cloud services there are, and how libraries utilize this type of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the distribution of information, such as applications, accounts, databases, and more, over the internet without having to house or maintain large servers or data centers on site. This means that users can acquire space on a server or a number of servers from a provider to keep their user accounts, for example, if it's a large business, or their database or circulation information, if it's a library or a large organization, so that they can save money on things like building space, IT maintenance, building maintenance equipment, and more. Instead of paying for all of those things, they would only be paying for what space they use and computer speeds. This type of payment is also known as pay-as-you-go. Users are able to access the information via a connection to the internet or a link up to the provider's servers. This can be done a number of ways, say from a login page or a private network. There are three types of clouds: public, private, and hybrid. Each cloud serves a different purpose depending on the type of business or organization and its needs. The public cloud is one of the most popular clouds due to its open to anyone availability. Anyone can have or create their own cloud using only the parts that they need. Dropbox, iCloud, and Google Drive are examples of public clouds. Private clouds are used by single entities such as a single business or organization that needs to keep its information within itself. This type of cloud is generally boasts having all the accessibility of a private cloud without the concerns of such things as data leaks or security issues. Hybrid clouds are a unique mix of public and private clouds, having all the accessibility and structure of a public cloud, but with the heightened security and reliability of a private cloud. With these clouds comes the services that businesses and organizations can use. There are three types of services: software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. Each one has its own function, but users are able to mix and match them to form a larger service platform that enables them to perform multiple functions and satisfy their needs. Software as a service, also known as SaaS, is the offering of access to a cloud application where users can store and or edit information or collaborate with others on projects. Users do not need to worry about where the information is housed once it's in the cloud or how the service actually works. All they need is a username and password, and access is granted. Google Drive and Dropbox are good examples of SaaS. Infrastructure as a service, known as IaaS, is a kind of storage and computer power service that allows users to run virtually any application or configuration over the internet. It is almost like a combination of PaaS, which is platform as a service, and software as a service. Amazon Web Services, Rackspace, and Google Base are good examples of IaaS. Platform as a service is a unique kind of service where a developmental environment is provided to users who are building web applications. Users are able to create and write their own codes, upload it to the cloud, where the code is then run as an application and can be used and or edited as the user sees fit. Google App Engine and Engine Yard are good examples of PaaS. Now that we've discussed just a bit of background on cloud computing, let's talk about how libraries use it. Libraries are organizations that disseminate and house information in multiple formats and via multiple access points. Their primary goal is to provide information to thousands of people as quickly as possible and in as easy as possible a process. With the introduction of cloud computing, libraries are now able to do a number of different things. Libraries can do anything from storing user accounts to creating courses. They can house circulation information on offsite servers, maintain databases, create schedules, create library lectures, share and transfer files, perform system and software updates, and lots more. But not only are libraries able to do these things, cloud computing also comes with a few very attractive benefits, such as mitigating costs for subscriptions and software, reducing costs for storage and server maintenance, IT maintenance, and are better able to prepare libraries for budget cuts. These things make cloud computing an attractive and beneficial feature for libraries. In fact, quite a few librarians have said that it has allowed them to shift their main focus from maintaining and fixing technology and software issues to bettering their offered programs, performing reference services and interviews, and connecting better with patrons. Libraries use a mix of software as a service and infrastructure as a service to host applications, store user information in databases, and with the popular option to pay for only what they use, libraries can save money by using software as a service instead of buying out programs and software, and by using infrastructure as a service instead of buying up large storage space in data centers. However, with every service comes various concerns and risks. A few in regards to libraries is security and privacy issues, lack of control of shared services, unsatisfied performance and compliance requirements, difficulty separating storage from applications, and a lack of cohesion between service providers and library policies and procedures in regards to dissemination of information, circulation, privacy, and management. Overall, cloud computing has many benefits, and the drawbacks can be dealt with at the discretion of the providers and libraries. Not only do libraries reap the benefits of cloud computing, but many others do as well, creating applications, designing websites, storing content, and plenty more. As technology grows and changes, more companies will undoubtedly use it. Thanks for watching.